Man, first start of the Cam Tahoe 5.3 sloppy cam stage 2. Had to put the jumper cables on it. It's untuned. Got the high pressure oil pump. When I first started it, it was sitting at about 60 PSI. It'll probably end up staying around between 40, like where it's at now. I can't really read the gas because ain't nothing working right. The throttle body ain't working right. And these my codes. I got the 6.2 injectors on it. So fuel trim, rich, bank 2, bank 1, engine misfire, evap, system small leak, large leak, throttle actuator control, fuel trim bank 2, fuel trim system rich. But I'm just showing you the oil pressure with the high pressure oil pump. It's warmed up, so you can see my RPM staying kind of high. This is just a 5.3 tune with the DOD delete. So I got the cam going, and I got the sloppy stage 2 cam going, and I got the LS3 Escalade injectors on here. The 6, well, you know, whatever it's called, it's not a LS3, but you know, 6.2 Escalade injectors and intake, throttle body. So it's dumping a lot of gas. I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna do another video when I get it tuned.